Today, I am going to walk you through how to launch your first TikTok ad campaign, even if you are a total beginner. I will also show you how to generate dozens of high-performing ad clips without having to film endless content yourself. If you have podcasts, webinars, or interviews sitting around, you can turn them into scroll-stopping TikTok creatives using a tool called Vizard. I will even share a secret tip on how to claim matched ad credits so you can test more strategies without blowing your budget. First, find the special offer link in the description to see if you qualify for matched ad credits from TikTok. These promotions often match your spend, effectively giving you free money to test new creative angles. Once you are inside the TikTok Ads Manager, hit the Create button to start building your campaign. If your goal is sales, select the Website Conversions objective, as this tells TikTok to prioritize actual customers. Avoid choosing reach or traffic if you really want purchases because those settings prioritize impressions over sales. Keep your campaign name simple, like broad testing, so you can easily organize your workflow. At the ad group level, name it broad as well, and ensure your tracking pixel is properly installed on your website. Set your optimization event to complete payment so the algorithm knows exactly what success looks like for you. For placements, I recommend selecting TikTok only, as this is where the most high-converting native-style content lives. Keep your audience broad by choosing your target country and an age range that fits your product. Set your daily budget to $20 to start, which allows you to collect meaningful data without overspending. Now, let us talk about the creative side, which is where most beginners tend to stumble. TikTok is a creative-heavy platform, meaning one ad is rarely enough to win consistently. You should aim for at least 5 to 7 unique video variations, so the algorithm has plenty to test. If you do not have existing content, you can use a custom identity and upload vertical videos directly from your computer. If you feel stuck on production, Vizard is the ultimate game changer for repurposing your long-form footage. Vizard takes your existing webinars or interviews and automatically finds the most engaging, shareable moments. It handles the heavy lifting, like smart cropping for vertical format and professional captioning in seconds. Just upload your video and choose the auto-edit mode to turn one long file into dozens of shorter, punchy clips. You can preview each clip and adjust the framing to ensure your subject or product is perfectly centered. Don't forget to add a quick call-to-action overlay text like 10% off to drive immediate conversions. Always include captions, so your ads remain effective even when people are watching with their sound off. Vizard also offers a content calendar, allowing you to schedule your posts across all your platforms in bulk. Unlike other AI tools that create fake, synthetic actors, Vizard helps you repurpose your own authentic, high-trust content. Now, go back to TikTok Ads Manager and upload your new clips into your ad group. Keep testing different primary text hooks to see which value propositions resonate most with your audience. Once you have data on your first group, duplicate the ad group to test new interest stacks. Make sure each audience segment is balanced in size, so the algorithm has enough room to optimize correctly. Reply to comments early and often because engagement in the first 24 hours really matters on TikTok. If a specific creative starts performing well, don't be afraid to increase your spend on that particular ad. If a clip underperforms, just swap it out or tweak the text and thumbnail to give it a fresh look. Use the winners you find to plan your next content shoot so you can scale your success even further. To recap, claim those ad credits, set up a conversion campaign, and use Vizard to batch your creatives. Then, constantly monitor your results, scale the winners, and cut the losers to keep your budget efficient. I have more videos on advanced scaling strategies, so check those out if you want to go deeper. If you want help auditing your account or scaling your business, you can book a coaching call with me. Give Vizard a try today. It is honestly going to save you so many hours and help you test faster. Good luck with your campaigns, and I will see you in the next video.